Hey everybody, so lots of people are moving toward plant-based diets, which is awesome, whether it's for health reasons or environment and climate change, or maybe ethical reasons. So I was stoked when I found out that there are plant-based marshmallows, because marshmallows are made with gelatin, and gelatin has neither gel nor tin, but in fact is animal parts, and pretty darn gross animal parts at that. The marshmallows that we found are from Dandies, and they're made by Chicago Vegan Food, so everything that they do is vegan. Everything that's in them you will recognize. Tapioca syrup, cane sugar, filtered water, tapioca starch, carrageenan, soy protein, and natural vanilla flavor. They are gluten-free, fat-free, gelatin-free, kosher, non-GMO, and all natural. They come in two sizes, s'more size or hot chocolate size. A 10-ounce bag costs about $4. Now, the question about these is because gelatin is what gives marshmallows their gooiness, is how do they stack up? Let's find out. So, if you're wondering what it tastes like to just pop one in your mouth, imagine the most perfect cotton candy compacted into a little puff. It's sweet, it's perfect under the tooth. It's fantastic. It tastes like every other marshmallow you've ever had. Now let's see what it looks like when we s'more it. You will probably not be surprised to learn that this is not the first marshmallow that I have tested. S'mores, this is about the 10th. Well, a caveat, first off, I like my marshmallows just browned on the outside and really soft all the way through. Some people like to set them on fire and just like go for it. I'm not that way. I like it nice and even so it melts the chocolate like so. So what I found is it just takes a little bit more time to do that. And I think it's just because the gelatin is, well, there's no gelatin. So it is slightly challenged, but in terms of actual practical construction of s'mores and melted marshmallows, I'm gonna call it a 10. Yep, confirming. It's a 10. Yeah, maybe 11.